In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can fix Steam purchase error. So you want to head over to your Steam right here, and the first fix that you want to do is to simply exit out of Steam, head over to your system tray, right click on Steam, and then you want to click on exit Steam. This will completely exit out Steam, getting rid of some glitches within the network itself that's preventing us from purchasing a game. From there, the second fix that you want to try is to simply change your payment method. So after adding some games onto your cart, you then want to click on continue to payment and then continue with another payment right here. So in my case, I maybe want to use something like another method like MasterCard, some local payment method, Visa or PayPal. In my current situation, I'm using a MasterCard, so you would change it into something else. From there, you then want to simply contact Steam support. So click on help, click on Steam support, and from here, you then want to click on purchases. You want to select the first one, which is I can complete my purchase on Steam store. Click on game or software, and from here you then want to look for your problem. Steam will then try to contact you, helping you fix your problem, and that should be it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.